I feel like you're pulling a prank on me. Hi, I'm Owen. I'm a food content creator based out of Los Angeles.
Hi, I'm Gideon. I'm based in Dayton, Ohio. I'm also a food content creator. So we're doing something really cool today. We're swapping our favorite childhood snacks.
So I was born in Italy, spent my time half in Florida, half in Italy. Summers were spent in my nonna's kitchen. So a lot of these snacks will be pretty much Italian.
Yeah, I'm excited. I was born and raised in the Philippines for like my first 13 years of my life, and I'm excited for you to try it. You ready?
Definitely.
I'm hungry.
Okay, I feel like I've had those before.
Really?
Are they filled with chocolate?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, but it's like, I guess this is the Filipino one.
Sticko.
Sticko.
I like that name.
Oh.
There's like no chocolate in here. You said these were filled. This is empty.
Hey man, don't blame me, blame the Sticko guy.
Cheers. It's good. Honestly, I just want chocolate in here. Like I thought it would be filled, it's just like empty. It's like they forgot. Speaking of chocolate, we got pan de stelle, one of my favorite cookies growing up. They're just chocolate and then they have stars. Okay, so normally I eat this with milk, otherwise just like a really dry cookie. Really dry.
Do you guys want milk?
I would love some. So we now have milk.
Cheers.
Dude, you gotta let it like soak.
Yeah, I'm
You know
not
what
a
I
fan of like soggy cookies though.
No, but like not too soggy, but like a good, you gotta find the right balance. All right, just go for it.
I feel like if this had like a cream filling, I would, but I'm keeping my Sticko.
I'm keeping it all day.
All right, on to the next snack.
Nice. I recognize this. Really confused by that. Mick? Or is it supposed to be milk?
It's just powder, milk powder. You just suck it. You don't need water. You don't make a drink out of it.
Well, this is chocolate milk powder because chocolate makes everything better. Have you had Nesquik before?
Oh yeah.
Okay. But have you had like the powdered version where you make it yourself?
I don't think so, but yeah, I like that you can put more.
Yeah, that's why. I just do like one spoonful at a time and then I'll mix. I just got some on your jacket. Sorry. Here you go.
Thank you.
It's gonna be strong. It's good though, right?
More. I'm kidding.
Oh,
Okay. I brought Mick. Everything we need is in this plate right here.
I don't believe you. I feel like you're pulling a prank on me.
Ask Mick, man.
If I have a dry cookie, the last thing I want is more powder in my mouth.
Go
I
with the
can't even
flow.
open this.
That's why I brought scissors. I got you, bro. Just enjoy.
Oh, it smells like milk. It looks really cool, but like, I literally just, you're coughing. I don't want to drink, like.
Do it. Cough with me, man.
It disintegrates as soon as it touches like saliva.
Yeah, you don't need water, man. You just need your saliva. Last time I had this was probably like 15 years ago.
I got like powder all over me now. I mean, it was cool. It was.
It's fun, right? It's fun.
I love the name too, Mick.
I'm keeping mine. Sorry.
I'm like, there's just no way I would like go out and get this, like ever. Time for some more snacks. I'm hoping it's savory and something I can actually eat. As a kid, I ate a lot of like sweets. This is one of my all-time favorites.
Classic.
White Rabbit. So, you know it?
Yeah, that was like what my favorite candies
Okay,
too.
all right.
But yeah.
It comes wrapped in a paper and you get to eat it. It like melts. And I haven't had it in like over 10 years.
Really?
It's not this wrapper you can eat. It's this wrapper. It's like a little present. Oh, it's a lot harder than I remember. I don't remember it being like this. This hurts. I'm not gonna lie. And it's stuck to my tooth right now.
It's like a Jolly Rancher.
Yeah.
But it does taste the same.
It does. It's like white taffy. And so what did you bring me?
All right, you asked something savory. I got you. Prawn crackers or just shrimp flavored chips by Oishi.
Whoa. I like it a lot.
I do too, man. Oh,
It's like puffy, but has chip qualities.
a lot of Asians love like shrimp crackers, like shrimp chips like this. I think like this has like the perfect saltiness because some brands are just really bland.
It smells a lot fishier than it actually tastes. I think it's very subtle, not overpowering.
It tastes better than it smells though.
Yeah, I'm swapping. This was like rock hard and not as good as I remember.
As much as I love White Rabbit, I think I'm going with the savory. I'm keeping mine. Okay, you ready for the next one?
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
This takes me back.
Me too, actually. All right.
Is that a steak?
Like, I used to eat like the cheese flavor, but I remember when this was dropped, it like changed the game. I hope it tastes like steak.
It smells like just a standard chip.
Really?
Yeah. Okay, not to be too critical, but like, what is this? Like, this is a crumb. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's too small. No? Okay.
It's not that deep, bro.
Zero resemblance of steak, but it's great.
It's good, right?
There's no big chips in here. It's all
Right there.
dude. That you think this is big?
As big as it gets, man, I think.
I don't know about that. I feel like this would pair very nicely with what we have right here. I know it looks like a very boring ham and cheese sandwich, and that's because it is. But a little backstory, my grandma, my nonna, used to make this for me in the afternoons. So in Italy, it's actually called toast. You're basically saying toast in a European accent, but that's what it's called.
Cheers, man. I mean, you can't go wrong with ham and cheese, man. Well, I'm just having my moment, man.
Yeah. You know, sometimes it's just the simple things, you know?
But yeah, this is really good.
I'm keeping mine all day.
I'm swapping mine.
All right, well, let's try some more.
Whoa. Bring in the milk.
I'm gonna need milk for this as well. I'm not gonna lie, like,
I knew it!
this just reminds me of winter and Christmas. This is bucaneve. They're cookies with, it's like a shortbread taste. Either I go to Italy on Christmas or my nonna used to visit us in Florida and she would bring this to us. Okay, normally they should be fully intact. These are a little crushed.
Yeah, this is way better than the chocolate one, to be honest with you.
And I'm a chocolate guy and I prefer this.
Yeah, like you said, shortbread.
Like shortbread?
Yeah,
Yeah.
and I'm a big fan of shortbread, so.
What did you bring me? It looks like corn
Yes.
in a bag.
Yes. This is sweet corn. Actually, one of like my favorite snacks. It's pretty balanced, like it's sweet, but it's also savory, you know?
Love that. I mean, that bag is just asking to be popped.
You want to pop it?
Oh, it is just not asking to be popped. Dude, what is this made out of? I
got you.
Wow, that like took a lot of energy out of me.
Actually, here you go, man.
Oh, these are like little puff balls.
Yeah.
You taste the corn for sure. I wish it was a little saltier.
Really?
Yeah.
That's something I can eat, like, the whole bag, like just one sitting.
I would almost prefer if this came on like a cob.
It's like an actual corn.
Yeah. I think that'd be really fun to like recreate.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like it's, no? Alright, maybe that's just me, but you know, I would probably swap just cause like savory and like if I'm snacking, I'm probably gonna pick that. But like nostalgia, Christmas, nonna, like I gotta keep it, you know?
Right. As much as I love your story, man, it's so, you know, so sweet, but keeping my my sweet corn chips.
Alright,
Okay, I think it's time for our last snack.
bring it on. More corn, bro.
Corn, yeah. We love corn in the Philippines, man. So this is boy bawang. I still remember the first time I've had it. My uncle just randomly like showed up and he just tossed me a bag. He's like, here, you're welcome. And I'm like, okay.
Like one at a time or multiple?
Multiple. It's like you didn't like it.
Oh, that's good corn.
This is adobo flavor.
Not getting much of that. It tastes like a seasoned corn fritter nut of sorts.
Well, it says it's just fried corn.
Okay,
But-
then my description was on point then. Would I get this over chips? Probably not.
Really?
You know how airlines are like, here are your nuts, like peanuts. I think this should be a replacement.
It's better, right?
Yeah, they're better than like regular peanuts and stuff.
This is the thing I used to like when I would eat this. I'm gonna put like vinegar just to balance it out.
This is cool though, I've never seen that. You put it in the bag.
Yeah, just put it in the bag and I just shake it. But I just thought it was good. I don't know if other people do it in the Philippines.
It doesn't taste like straight vinegar at all. Just gives it that like little kick.
I don't know. I think it just brings out the other seasonings more. The acid just.
Really elevates it, you know? Have you had one of these before?
Weren't those banned?
So they used to not be available in the States. When I would go to Italy, we used to eat this all the time. I still eat them all the time. And they all come with a toy, which is the best part.
That's what I was hoping. I was like, is there a toy?
This is the yummy side. They provide a little spoon for you. You have to build it too. They're usually really cool toys too.
Mine's built already, dude.
Okay, some come already built. That's actually really cool. Have you had this before or no?
No.
Oh, dude, you're in for a treat. So the best way to do this, you like get half of the chocolate stuff and then one ball, and then you eat it all in one like go. It's just like, it's unreal. It's all over my lips.
Yeah, it's very messy.
I kind of want some milk. Like, isn't that like just so good? Come on.
It's really good. Yeah.
Like the texture of a Kit Kat, the little ball thing.
It's like you're eating the towel.
If you haven't had one, you need to go and try one. Like these things are insane.
Oh,
That's a good
yes.
one. There's a lot of pieces to that. It looks like he's dancing. He's doing the
It's
gritty.
like twerking. I feel like I can eat more of this when I'm like You know, this is really fun.
Dude, you just built a toy and you're gonna pick vinegar in a bag.
Yeah, I don't want to hurt my
Come
uncle's
on.
feelings.
I'm keeping mine too.
All right, that was a lot of fun, man.
It was. I loved hearing about your stories in the Philippines. No milk in bag though next time.
I think I drank enough milk today.
All right.
And for next week. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. If you have a favorite snack, leave it in the comments below.
We'll see you next time.